fertilizing the land is a must for farm owners. This spreader, made in the USA, is able to save time and effort during the work. However, this piece of equipment is not automated. It's pulled forward by another vehicle. It can be a tractor, a lawnmower, or even an ATV. In any case, the model distributes the fertilizer evenly in a wide swathe. The tank holds up to 150 pounds of fertilizer, so users can stop less frequently to refill the tank. The spreader has 11 operating modes, which further extends the range of tasks available. In today's market, leaf removal machines are either too big or too slow. That's why the following equipment caught our attention. This is a self-propelled leaf blower that combines compactness, maneuverability, and at the same time considerable power. This model is ideal for cleaning large areas, for example, parks, golf courses, parking lots, schools, and cemeteries. The machine moves at 9 miles per hour and blows up to 7,500 cubic feet of air per minute. And thanks to its small size and spinning wheels, this leaf blower can work where others can't, in hard-to-reach places, narrow passageways, and up against walls and fences. Harvesting apples during the harvest season doesn't have to be a stressful process, resulting in arm and lower back pain. Here is an innovative device developed in Finland. It allows you to pick apples easily, even from the top branches up to 20 feet high. It has an adjustable telescopic handle and an unusual shape as well. The top of the tool has 7 plastic petals. The apple tree branch is placed between the petals and then pulled. This is enough for the apple to come off and fall into the bag. Now you can mow the grass, take care of hedges, cut tree branches, and blow leaves with only one universal tool. 6 months ago, the Japanese company Echo Tools introduced its new multi-tool, which comes with 7 professional attachments. So, one single tool allows the owner to keep the yard clean and tidy. Moreover, working with it is easy and pleasant. The tool has the best power-to-weight ratio in its class. The battery is enough for more than 2.5 hours of uninterrupted work. The following invention from our list will help you create the perfect lawn without ploughing or using special cutters. This machine for sowing seeds was invented back in 1976, but it still has almost no analogs and remains highly effective. It's a mounted disc seeder that's pushed forward by a tractor. The working tools are several rows of V-shaped discs. As the machine moves forward, they make narrow, even cuts in the turf. At the same time, these seeds are fed to the end of the blades. In this way, the machine creates a furrow and sows at the same time. The manufacturer has developed a wide range of models. This one in particular is pretty compact, so it's ideal for the maintenance of golf courses. Its working width is 6.5 feet. A few years ago, the specialists of an American company decided to turn the daily process of removing leaves into an exciting game. Today, anyone can buy their product. This is a set of plastic shovels that turn your hands into huge paws. This seemingly simple system allows you to pick up and carry a large volume of leaves at a time, and most importantly, without touching them with your hands. You can buy 2 paws for about $30. If you need to quickly collect pine cones, stones, debris, nuts, or other small objects from the ground, it's best to use this device. It is a bag put over the nozzle of a handheld leaf blower. The principle of operation is very simple. The stream of air drives all small objects into the bag. After that, all that remains is to pour them into the basket. The price starts at $35. Growing fruits and vegetables in your apartment has recently become popular. However, growing potatoes at home is difficult, so there hasn't been any interest in them. Experts from an Austrian company decided to put an end to this. They've created a clever system that makes it possible to have a rich potato harvest only 16 weeks after planting. The secret of its effectiveness is simple. It is a well-thought-out design that took 2 years to develop in total. The system consists of modules which are stacked on top of each other, forming a tower. So, the bed takes up little space while allowing to grow large quantities of potatoes. They're easy to take care of because the manufacturer added a built-in irrigation system. The retail price of this invention is $73. An updated professional machine for shredding branches was presented not so long ago by a company from the Netherlands. The tool is compact but powerful. Thanks to the wheels, it's easy to transport from place to place. The receiving hopper is long enough to increase the safety of work. In the process, the wood chips are not thrown to the sides. Notably, this model works only with branches up to 2.7 inches in diameter. The output is fine reusable wood chips. It can be used for compost or mulch in the garden. The main problem that arises when working with heavy handheld garden tools is causing your arms to strain. In order to ensure that workers stop less often and remain productive, GTM came up with this unusual system. It consists of 3 elements: a backpack vest, a pulley, and a steel cable, to which you connect the tool. Despite its apparent simplicity, the system relieves your hands and transfers some of the load to your back. The only condition is the tool must weigh more than 10 pounds. This robotic mower will allow you to forget about mowing the lawn forever. The modern market already offers many different models, but this product caught our attention. The robot is compact, maneuverable, and fully automated. The owner sets a work schedule for the device in a special app. After that, the robot just autonomously leaves the charging station, moves across the lawn, and then comes back. The main difference between it and its competitors is exactly how the virtual boundaries are set for the mower. The owner doesn't have to put special beacons in the ground. You just have to walk with the robot along the border once, after choosing the right mode in the application. It's hard to believe, but one single tiny box can really solve most problems with watering plants in the garden. Hidden inside its stylish body is perhaps one of the most advanced horticultural systems of our generation. This device works as a link between the plumbing and the irrigation system. However, it doesn't just open the water supply at the right time. It allows each plant to be treated based on an individual schedule. It may sound complicated, but in fact the system is very simple. It consists of a number of modules that are installed on the beds and are controlled separately with the help of a mobile app. Based on the schedule, these modules send a signal to the system to start watering. Grass bundles sprouting in the gaps between road tiles spoil the appearance of any place. However, this cordless German-made cleaner can solve this problem easily and in just a couple of minutes. The tool was specifically designed to reach into narrow gaps between the tiles and remove any vegetation from there. As you can see, a flawless result can be achieved in just one pass. The model also has 2 interchangeable brushes made of nylon and steel. The first one works gently, so it's suitable for working on wooden surfaces. The second is ideal for working with stone and concrete tiles.